Affiliate marketing. It's a fantastic way to earn money online, promoting products you believe in. But here's the secret sauce. Choosing the right niche. Think of your niche as your online storefront. It's the specific area you'll focus on, attracting a targeted audience. Why is this so important? Imagine trying to sell everything to everyone. Overwhelming, right? A niche helps you focus your energy, message, and marketing efforts. This targeted approach attracts the right customers, those genuinely interested in what you offer. The result? Higher engagement, more clicks on your affiliate links, and ultimately, more commissions in your pocket. It's about working smarter, not harder. So, how do you find that perfect niche? That's what we'll explore in the coming sections, equipping you with the knowledge and tools to succeed in the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Finding a profitable niche is like digging for gold. You need the right tools and a bit of patience. But don't worry, it's not about complicated formulas. It's about understanding the market and spotting opportunities. Start with keyword research. Keywords are the terms people type into search engines. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, it's free, help you see how many people are searching for specific topics. High search volume? That's a good sign of a potentially profitable niche. Next, analyze the competition. Are there many websites or businesses already targeting that niche? Some competition is healthy, but too much might mean it's oversaturated. Look for niches with moderate competition but high demand. Remember, thorough research is your compass, guiding you toward niches ripe with potential. Once you have some potential niches, it's time to put on your detective hat and get to know your target audience. Who are these people interested in your niche? What are their pain points, their aspirations, their needs? Dig deep into online forums, social media groups, and Q&A sites related to your niche. What are people asking? What are their frustrations? Understanding these needs allows you to recommend products and services that genuinely solve their problems. This is the heart of successful affiliate marketing, connecting the right products with the right people. By becoming a trusted advisor, someone who genuinely understands their audience, you build credibility and loyalty, leading to long-term affiliate success. Let's dive into some evergreen niches that continue to be profitable in the affiliate marketing world: health and wellness. People are always looking for ways to improve their health. This niche encompasses everything from fitness equipment to healthy recipes, supplements, and mindfulness apps. Wealth and finance. From investing to budgeting, making money online to personal finance management, this niche attracts a wide audience seeking financial freedom. Relationships and dating. Online dating, relationship advice, communication skills. This niche caters to people looking for love, connection, and personal growth. Technology and gaming. With technology constantly evolving, this niche offers a plethora of opportunities, from promoting the latest gadgets to software, gaming gear, and online courses. Remember, these are just a few examples. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its versatility. You can find profitable niches within almost any industry. Section 5. Passion meets profits, the winning formula. While profitability is essential, don't underestimate the power of passion. Choosing a niche that genuinely interests you is like adding rocket fuel to your affiliate marketing journey. Why? Because passion fuels your creativity, your enthusiasm, and your willingness to go the extra mile. It shines through in your content, captivating your audience and establishing you as an authentic voice in your chosen niche. Think about it. Would you rather promote products you're genuinely excited about, or ones that feel like a chore? The answer is clear. Passion makes the work enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Section 6. Testing the waters. Experimenting for niche mastery. You've done your research, you've explored different niches, you've even found one that sparks your interest. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start by creating some test content, blog posts, social media updates, even short videos. See how your audience responds. Are they engaging with your content? Are they asking questions? This feedback is invaluable, helping you refine your approach and tailor your message. Remember, affiliate marketing is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Embrace the process, experiment, and don't be afraid to adjust your sales along the way. Section 7. Mastering affiliate marketing tools for success. As you embark on your affiliate marketing journey, having the right tools in your arsenal can significantly enhance your efficiency and results. Keyword research tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz provide in-depth keyword data, competitor analysis, and website auditing. While they offer paid plans, their free trials or limited free versions can be a great starting point. Building an email list is crucial for nurturing relationships with your audience. Services like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and GetResponse offer user-friendly interfaces and automation features to streamline your email marketing efforts. Social media management platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer allow you to schedule and manage your social media content across multiple platforms, saving you time and ensuring consistent engagement. We'll delve deeper into affiliate networks later, but platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate connect you with a vast array of products and brands to promote. Remember, these are just a few examples. Explore and find the tools that best suit your needs and budget. Section 8. Building your affiliate empire, creating valuable content. Content is king in the affiliate marketing realm. It's how you attract, engage, and ultimately convert your audience. But not just any content will do. You need to create high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Think about what your audience wants to learn, what problems they need to solve, or what information would make their lives easier. Then, craft your content around those needs. Consider different formats. Blog posts, in-depth articles providing valuable information and insights. Product reviews, honest and detailed reviews highlighting the pros and cons of products. Comparison guides, helping your audience make informed decisions by comparing different products or services. Tutorials and how-to guides, providing step-by-step instructions to solve specific problems. Videos, engaging and visually appealing content that can simplify complex topics. By consistently delivering valuable content, you establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche, increasing the likelihood of your audience clicking on your affiliate links. Section 9. Driving traffic strategies for affiliate growth. Creating great content is only half the battle. You need to get eyes on that content. That's where traffic generation comes in. Here are a few strategies to drive traffic to your affiliate website or platform. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimizing your content for search engines like Google helps your website rank higher in search results, driving organic traffic. Social media marketing. Engage with your audience on social media platforms, share your content, and run targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Paid advertising platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to run targeted advertising campaigns to drive traffic to your website. Email marketing. Nurture your email list by sending out valuable content, updates, and promotional offers. Guest posting. Contribute high-quality content to other websites in your niche, including a link back to your own site. Remember, diversifying your traffic sources is key. Don't rely solely on one method. Experiment, track your results, and focus on the strategies that yield the best return on investment. Section 10. Affiliate networks. Your gateway to products and commissions. Affiliate networks act as intermediaries between merchants, brands selling products, and affiliates, you. They provide a platform where you can find affiliate programs, browse products to promote, and track your earnings. Here's how it works. 1. Join an affiliate network. Sign up for reputable affiliate networks relevant to your niche. 2. Browse affiliate programs. Explore the available programs and choose products that align with your audience's interests. 3. Get your affiliate link. Once approved for a program, you'll receive a unique affiliate link for each product you promote. 4. Promote and earn. Share your affiliate links on your website, social media, or through email marketing. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Popular affiliate networks, Amazon Associates, one of the largest affiliate networks offering a vast selection of products. ShareASale, a well-established network with a diverse range of merchants. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, a performance-based network known for its robust tracking and reporting tools. ClickBank focuses on digital products and information products. Choose networks that align with your niche and offer products your audience will love. Section 11. The journey begins. Embracing the affiliate adventure. Congratulations. You've now taken a deep dive into the world of affiliate marketing. You've learned about choosing a profitable niche, understanding your audience, creating valuable content, driving traffic, and leveraging affiliate networks. Now it's time to put this knowledge into action. Remember, affiliate marketing is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt and learn along the way. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop experimenting. The online world is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay passionate about what you do. Now go out there and build your affiliate empire.